If you want to gain back hours of your time every day so you can focus and achieve your goals, Obserra is the perfect solution for you. I will guide you from downloading Obserra to fully setting up, so you can be back in control of your time. Obserra supports mobile and PC, so you can use it no matter what device you use. I'll first show you how to download Obserra on a computer. To start, let's go to the download page. Now, select your browser. We will now be shown the steps to finish the download, so I will first download the extension. To make it easy to access the extension, you can click the pin button. Now, if we open the extension, we can log in with our Obserra account. And that's it, it's downloaded. To download Obserra on an Apple iOS phone, we will first need to download the Orion browser from the App Store. This is because Orion natively supports extensions, so Obserra can work seamlessly. Now, once Orion is downloaded, open it. The next step is to open the Obserra download page on Orion. After selecting our device, we can continue by adding the Obserra extension to Orion. We can now access Obserra at any time on Orion by clicking the three dots and then the Obserra icon. We will now be prompted to log in with your Obserra account. And that's it, Obserra is now downloaded on Orion, so whenever you use YouTube on Orion, Obserra will enforce the limits you set. To download Obserra on an Android phone or tablet, we will first need to download the Firefox Nightly browser from the Google Play Store. This is because Firefox Nightly natively supports extensions, so Obserra can work seamlessly. Now, once Firefox is downloaded, open it. The next step is to open the Obserra download page on Firefox. After selecting our device, we can continue by adding the Obserra extension to Firefox. We can now access Obserra at any time on Firefox by clicking the three dots, the extension button, and then the Obserra icon. We will now be prompted to log in with your Obserra account. And that's it, Obserra is now downloaded on Firefox, so whenever you use YouTube on Firefox, Obserra will enforce the limits you set. You can change your settings at any time from the settings page on the obserra.com website. If you need more help setting it up, contact the Obserra support team for immediate assistance.